If your knee hurts when you squat or you lunge in any direction, this video is for you. All we're going to go through here is show you how to correctly have your knee track your toes to really reduce the likelihood of pain. So, really quick, we're going to have two straight lines, one that comes out from the middle of my foot and one that comes out from the middle of my knee. So, here's my foot line, if you will, coming out from my middle three toes, and here is the line from my kneecap. Here is a really good position right here. We have our knee tracking the middle toes. So this is where we want to be, regardless of what the pattern is when we're getting into a deep knee bend position. If we deviate and that kneecap is outside, that's not good. And if that kneecap goes inside, that's even more problematic and really puts your knee in a bad spot. So really quickly, if we look at how to squat, you hear a lot of times, take your feet outside your shoulder width and turn them out. Well, here's why. If I have a straight foot position, and you see now my straight line coming off my knee, and I try to go into a squat position, inevitably, my knee is going to be outside that line. So now I'm not tracking anymore, and I'm putting all these forces on my knee that are just not going to be good. So if we take that advice of outside shoulder width with the feet, and a turnout of up to 30 degrees, and now we squat, I'm not forcing my knee into the right position, it's just naturally going there. Same thing can be said for forward lunge or a reverse lunge. So here's some reverse lunge setup. Good, bad, bad. And the last one, and probably one of the more misunderstood exercises, is a side lunge. So when I take my side lunge, I plant that foot up to 45 degrees. Rotate it out to the side. And again, I want my kneecap to track my toes. Good. And you can see the difference here. Here's where I ought to be, and here's where I am. So bottom line is, when you're thinking about how to line things up to take pain out and reduce risk in your knees when you lunge or when you squat, think about that knee tracking concept, and your patella or your kneecap should really be in a straight line relative to the middle part of your foot and your middle three toes. You do that, you're good. You don't do that, you'll probably be seeing me eventually for some knee pain.